Hi, I'm Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group. I'm here at the ARC Forum in Orlando, Florida, and I'm speaking with Sarah Prinster, Vice President of Apprion. Apprion is a supplier of industrial wireless products and services for the process industries. Sarah, welcome to the forum. Thanks for being here.
Hi, Harry.
It's great to have you here again. Sarah, can you tell us a little bit about what's been going on in Apprion in the past year? You've been around for a number of years and changed a little bit. What's going on this year with your company?
It's been a great year. A lot's going on. We're adding many more solutions and applications for our customers. As you said, we address industrial wireless applications and solutions for industrial facilities. Recently, we've added 2 new applications. There's Ion Collaboration. Ion is our product line, and Ion Mustering. Our focus is for security and safety and meeting compliance mandates. And what's interesting about the new initiatives, mustering and collaboration, is it really fits in that niche for safety. So facilities can implement a wireless infrastructure, add in collaboration and mustering, and all of the emergency notification and processes to get employees and personnel to a safe location during a hazardous incident are addressed.
Okay, well you're talking about compliance now as a big driver in the market. Now, what are you seeing in terms of your customers and potential customers with regard to their compliance issues and drivers?
Compliance is the main thing that gets customers coming and saying, we've got to solve this now. We have, for example, MARSEC or CFATS. Various compliance agencies are coming to facilities and saying, you have to implement and address this security or safety problem right now. For example, in the area of security, MARSEC has come to some facilities and said, you need to have wireless cameras or video cameras everywhere in the facility, especially in hazardous areas. And the facilities come back to us and said, what's the most cost-effective way to do this and the easiest way? And the answer is wireless. So they can go in and put in wireless cameras in all the remote locations in the facility, and you can monitor the activities that are going on in the remote locations.
Okay. Now let me go off script a little bit, Sarah. You were also talking yesterday about your new connectivity products and trying to get economical connectivity and service for wireless, and I think that's something that's really of interest to people in the manufacturing industries. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, that's a very good question, because so much of the connectivity and getting data and video streams, all data within a facility, is expensive. So the price point's really high, and not so much on wireless, but yes, it's $5,000 plus sometimes for a price point. And we've come out with a new product called Ionizer Connect, which does a basic backhaul to sensors and pretty much any data point for less than $2,000. So it's an innovative price point product to get all data to a central location.
Well, the other thing that I thought was pretty unusual about it is being able to fit into different scenarios in industrial for having longer ranges or other things that would fit into scenarios like pipelines or large outdoor plants where these kind of distances present a big challenge for more conventional technologies.
Yeah, it's most to that point. Most of the conventional is Wi-Fi only, short ranges, doing a mesh type of network. The Ionizer Connect and some of our other products that handle WiMAX in the long range are up to 50 kilometers. So you're truly doing a long distance remote, not sending people way out into far reaches, and doing a very streamlined implementation.
Okay, well let's shift a little bit from the product area to the service area, because traditionally we've thought of you as very much a product company. You have some big sponsors now. Can you tell us a little more about what your service offering is like and why it's important to your customers?
Services is critical. We have 3 parts to our services. Number 1 is we go in and we do an analysis of the whole facility. What does the customer need? What are the applications? There's so many applications out there. So we take a look at that before we even go in and start implementing. Then we work with partners in the other devices because we do the infrastructure and applications. So we're going to need to work with the sensor companies or the video companies, and then we do the whole implementation. But most importantly is we don't just install these products and walk away. We have managed services, which really is unique. We're finding that not many people stick around and help out their customers with making sure that product is always up and running, especially in the case of wireless, making sure that every single piece of the infrastructure is running 24/7, 365 days a year. So the managed services piece is one very valuable because these facilities don't have the technical and expertise to be managing these wireless devices in-house. And they don't have the manpower to do that to the 24/7 that we do. And the personnel they do have really need to focus on their basic, the job that is critical and what they know how to do.
So going forward, if you look at managed services, what kind of role is this going to play in your company's business?
It's a big part. I mean, that's where we're growing the most is.
And that's certainly a change from what we've talked about in the past when we've been talking about your customers.
Yeah, and that is, and to that point, we've doubled, tripled our services department, and every customer has a dedicated services team, and it's been our focus, like I said, because nobody else is doing it the way that we're doing it, as far as install the product and really manage it, and not just our products, but every single piece of that wireless infrastructure. We monitor and make sure that it's working.
Sarah, thank you very much for coming and talking to us at the forum.
Thank you, Harry.
This is Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group. I'm here at the ARC Orlando Forum talking with Sarah Prinster, Vice President of Apprion. Thank you for watching.